Good morning. I'm Maria Lionel Sandoval, CEO of Eve Grocer from the Philippines. Eve Grocer is a zero-waste subscription-based online marketplace. A typical family throws away 20 to 30 packs of plastic packaging per week, which converts to 660 grams of carbon dioxide. What if you could buy cheaper products and save the environment? What if you can plan your daily, weekly, monthly, recurring purchases in just one setup? What if it is delivered at your doorsteps? What we solve. We save the environment, we save time, we save money. The Eve Grocer process is bundle, subscribe, and deliver. The food and personal care revenue of e-commerce in the Philippines has a 20.1% growth rate. Since the Eve Grocer system can apply several countries, we have started coordinating with joint venture partners with Japan, Malaysia, Singapore, US, and Pakistan. The brands that we carry at the platform. The e-grocer model focuses on marketplace and franchise, which also includes the store renovation, initial inventory, SEO and marketing support, training, and maintenance. The revenue model focuses on the marketplace, advertising, and licensees. The go-to-market strategy is licensee. We partner with licensee, we partner with merchants, and then we go to the customers through co-branding, social media endorsers, and promotions. The promotions that we currently run right now, the traction, returning customer rate is 68.5, growth rate is 38.7%, unique customers is 28.6%. The ask, $300,000, a 10% equity, which goes to the system upgrade, advertising, hiring key employees, community events, research and development, and expansion. The customer reviews, the awards, the team. I'm the CEO, the founder and CEO. I am a general manager of an import-export manufacturing and tolling company for 13 years, realizing the cost of the one-time use plastic packaging that customers throws every day. We have pivoted to the Eve Grocer platform. Charlene De Leon, general manager of a global tech design firm. Erica Aquino, corp secretary. She's a STEAM education advocate and co-founder of the Brewery. Jonathan Sandoval heads operations and logistics. Nicolas Cesar, he is also an owner of a transport company. Nicolas Cesar, co-founder and CTO, heads the maintenance, backend, and coding of the Eve Grocer platform. The Eve Grocer store serves as the transparency and visibility of the brand. This is where the bundling and delivery takes place, and it ensures the good quality and fast delivery to the customers. Thank you so much.